What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous estate and winery in the Saint-Emilion appellation of the Bordeaux wine region. Yes, this is a chateau that was founded by famous winemaker Jean-Luc Thunevin. This is a chateau that is very much associated with the garagiste movement of making garage wines in small quantities but extremely high quality. In Saint-Emilion in particular, one of the pioneering wine in this style. We are looking at how to pronounce Château Valandraud. Yes, the D at the end of Valandraud is silent, so do not say Valandraud or Valandraud, but rather with the typical French pronunciation, Château Valandraud. Château Valandraud, it'd be fine in English or American to say Château Valandraud. Château Valandraud, A and U together in French forming the sound O, so just pretend there's an O at the end there. Château Valandraud of Saint-Emilion. This is a Premier Grand Cru Classe upgraded as a Premier Grand Cru Classe in the last 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Emilion. Talking about it, if you want to learn more about this classification, here is a video explaining exactly what it's all about. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.